Alrighty, just doing a quick how-to video for you guys. I am going to be changing the bulb in the HVAC cluster. The bulb went out like 6 or 7 days after I actually bought this car a couple years ago, and I've yet to fix it yet. And shout out to Yannick for giving me this bulb. But I'm actually initially coming in here to fix my DC port, but while I'm in here I figured I might as well do this. It's pretty simple. There's only a couple of screws to take out. You'll have to take the 4 screws out on the side of the radio bezel right here. There's 2 on each side. Once that comes down, you'll be able to see the one last screw that holds it in down here. There's 2 screws behind the ashtray with a little slot that holds the ashtray in right here. And then 2 screws at the very top right here. And after you get that thing to pop out, you pretty much just pop it out. You can see that's busted on my car. These things just pull straight out like that. After you pull these out, go inside of here. On the side, there's a couple little tabs. Over here, you can see there's a little one right there and another one right there. And then there's actually going to be a couple more tabs that stick up top over here somewhere. But the main ones you're going to want to pry out are these right here. Just going to pop that free like so. Oh, wow, that flew off way easier than I anticipated. But typically, there's going to be a couple of tabs up top of here that hold it in place. And then there's a tab down here at the bottom that kind of holds it in place. But once you slide that thing off, it's just a matter of popping this little tab off right here. And after that, you have access to the HVAC control bulb. So, let me quick pop this thing off. There we go. And then there's a little bulb right there. So, it's just a matter of simply pulling her out. And there's a little green rubber tip on the end of it. If you want to kind of keep it green, you do got to put that little tip back on it. I'm going to put this in here without that little tip. And it's really a good idea to be wearing gloves when doing this because you can very easily destroy these bulbs with grease in your fingers. So, look at that. Boom. Maybe I'll throw the little green tip on. Why not? Let's just do it. We'll keep it OEM. Yeah, we're not doing that. It doesn't want to come off. It's just ripping in pieces. So anyway, disregard that bulb. I'm going to go ahead and fix this, slap it all back together, and that's really it. Super simple, super straightforward, but I know a lot of people have been asking on the page and on the forum. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys. If you guys have any other things you'd like to have a how-to video on, let me know. I'll gladly help you out, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks.